balls I have, okay? Now let's look at footballs. Count with me. I should hear everyone counting to figure out how many footballs we have. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone show me on your fingers how many footballs. Zachary, show me on your fingers how many footballs. 4 footballs. Nice job. I'm going to put number 4 underneath because I know good mathematicians always label their work. Now let's count the baseballs. I want to hear everyone. Catherine and Jeriel, I need to hear you. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Great job. So how many baseballs were there? Show me with your fingers.
8.
Kindergarten, pencils are down. Show me with your fingers. I need to see everyone. Row 1. I see Fauna showing me. Row 2. Sophia, warning, show me. Row 3. Row 4. Row 5. Much better. How many, Stephanie? Stephanie, how many?
8.
8. Nice job. And the last one. Let's count together. Ready? Go. I need to hear everyone. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many for basketball? Let's see. Peter, how many for basketball?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Jeter.
6.
6. You got it. Nice job, Jeter. All right. Now let's go to our questions. So the first question says, how many scholars in Miss Jones' class like to play basketball? Teachers, can you mute whoever is not muted? So I know I need to invest in this question. This question is asking me how many scholars like to play basketball. What is it asking me, Ashraf?
How many scholars like to play basketball?
Right, so if I go back and I look at my investing, I saw, and Jeter and Julius told us, nope, Jeter told us, that 6 scholars like to play basketball the best. So now I'm gonna go back and I'm going to draft my answer, 6. Okay, I'm going to go through each answer choice. 4, no, that doesn't match how many scholars liked basketball. 6, I think so, that matches my draft. 5, what do you think? Show me, agree or disagree. Is the answer 5? No. Is the answer 8? Agree or disagree? Nope, the answer is not 8. The answer is 6. 6 scholars like basketball the most. Now, the next question asks me, which sport do most scholars in Mr. Jones' class like to play? So most means the biggest amount. What does most mean, Carolyn?
The biggest amount.
What does it mean, Kylie Ray? Kylie Ray, what does most mean?
Biggest amount.
Great, so I'm going to go through, and as a good mathematician, I'm going to label each one. So I know that 5 scholars liked soccer the most, Kyrie Eyes. 8 scholars liked baseball the most. 4 scholars liked football the most, and 6 scholars liked basketball the most. Which of those numbers is the biggest or the greatest? Jennalise, which of those numbers is the greatest?
8.
8. Yes, so I know that is the sport that the most scholars like. So I'm going to go through and still use my work habits. 5 is smaller than 8. 8, that's the biggest number, so I'm putting a dot. 4, nope, that's smaller than 8. And 6, no, that's smaller than 8. So I know that my answer is 8. Okay, now it's time to go into our breakout rooms. Eyes are here. In your breakout rooms, I must see you. This is how I'm going to pick my math star. I must see you focused, participating, and also using all of your work habits. Okay, that means labeling the categories. That means investing and drafting your answers. Got it? Say, got it. Okay, Miss Edwards, we're ready for breakout rooms.
Okay. Can you make me co-host?
Sorry.
That's okay.
Okay, so as we're waiting for Miss Edwards to make the breakout rooms, let's start counting our first chart. So it says, everyone pick up your finger, put it on the word Ms. 5, 4, the page looks like this, 3, 2, if you're not there, get there now. 1, 0. Nice job. Remember, scholars, you can rip off the days before, so you don't have to look through a whole big packet for the rest of the time, okay? Pick up your pointer finger. Where's those pointer fingers? I see Isatu's pointer finger. I see Catherine's pointer finger. I see Kyrie's. Put it on the word Ms. Miss Jones' class shared their favorite vehicles. The bar graph below shows the number of scholars that liked each vehicle. We will answer questions 1 and 2 about the bar graph. Before we do that, we need to count and label each category. So first, count the airplane and label how many scholars like airplanes the best. Go ahead.
Okay, scholars. I'm putting up the paper now, so you should be already on GP. Okay. Sophia, are you ready? All right, let me pull up the paper now. All right, Sophia, 1 second. You should be already counting how many are in each category. Go ahead, count how many animals are in each category. Go ahead. So you should be still counting how many are in each category. Look at where the line goes up to. Okay. All right, so now I'm going to share my screen with you. Sophia, you there? Yeah. Sophia, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, great. I'm about to show my screen to you, okay? Did you count how many were in each category already?
Yes.
Okay, so how many were donkeys? How many donkeys were there?
There were 8.
Okay, go back and count it again. How many donkeys? The first animal. Are you guys on the animals? Is that what you're looking at, the animals? Okay, I'm on the GP. I'm right here, Sophia. Look at mine. Okay, I'm right here. Oh, you guys don't have, oh, okay, you guys don't have it. Okay, so turn to airplanes. Yep, go to airplanes. There were 8 airplanes. Good. How many bulldozers? That's the first question. The first question says, how many scholars like bulldozers best? Go ahead, Sophia. How many scholars like bulldozers best? You should be labeling your answers. Okay, Sophia, I'm giving you 1 minute. Did you get your answer yet?
Yes.
Okay, what was your answer, Sophia?
My answer was 5.
Okay, nice job, nice job. Okay, let's go to number 2. Number 2 says, which vehicle do most scholars like the best? Ooh, how are you going to figure this out? If it's asking, what is the question asking you? Sophia, what's the question asking you?
The question is literally to do the most scholars like the best.
So if it's asking for the most, it's asking for which one is the what?
Biggest.
Yeah, so look for the bar that's the tallest. Which one do scholars like most?
The
Write your answer.
airplane.
Write your answer and label your answer choices. I need to see the numbers of how many for each category, for each vehicle. Go ahead. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Sophia, I can't see your screen. Is your screen on?
No.
Why? Can you turn it on?
I don't know how to.
Okay. All right. So you have to ask someone to help you when you go on break, okay? All right, let's just continue. We're going to keep going. All right. Now we're going to go on to number 3. Do you see my screen, Sophia? Sophia? Okay. Samin, sit on your bottom. All right, so scholars, we're just waiting for everyone to come back. Still sitting in Scholar, tracking the screen. I see Humaira's there. Jenna Lisa's sitting in Scholar. Kyrie, you look like a first grader. Keep it up.
I've been on mute, sorry. Row 1, yes. Row 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's close out today's lesson. So, today we learned Samin, eyes now. Samin, warning, fold and track. A graph is a drawing or diagram used to record information about an amount. Bar graphs use bars to record information. The last box that's filled in on a bar graph shows us the total amount. It shows us the, and last, we use our work habits to help us solve questions about graphs accurately. We knew that it was so much easier if we counted the categories first before we answered the question. And today's math star is, drum roll please. Today's math star is, hold on, Yerwin. Say great job, Yerwin. Nice job staying focused and doing all the work, Yerwin. Everyone say great job, Yerwin. All right, Yerwin, so after ELA reteach, you'll get to share something with us, okay? All right, remember, say it with me. 9:55, say it, 9:55, 9:55, 9:55. If you want a dance video, you'll be back here at 9:55. Bye.